Good, thank you muno neguthina mbere na kwirorera Inoro TV. Nitwarikia kumuramura magatheti twina Njoroge wa Githĩnji na mwiroreri gatheti cio twacimuramura twaria ciandikitwo. Gatheti ya Daily Nation audumwe na gatheti ya The Standard. Gatheti ngine muthenya wa rucio Ngai tukinyaneria. Ucio riu ni uhoro muthiru. Reke tuingire ndereti-ini na uyu ni umemerekia murihire. Ni tugukurite kumoria twambiririe tafarire na Inoro rucini ni turikorwo tukeria uhoro wa kuigithia kuria migunda-ini na twakwira tukorwo na Terry Maina afitha wa wandikani thini wa Kambuni ya wedi wa migunda ya Dhahabu. Turi na thini wa studio na ugekorwo na kiuria kana mawoni ni ciuke namba itu ya SMS ni 22488. Terry Maina we mwega rucini. Good morning. How are you?
Very, very well. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Hana te thutha wa thikũ nyingĩ.
Goko gwe thayo. Goko gotire na uru. We hana atia.
Ni ndi mwega fiu. Na kuria nyumite turiega. Ndauma mwena wa Ruiru. Ruiru ni kwega. Kuria twina wabici citu mwena wa Greek Towers.
Yes.
4th floor. Tungethanire na Ruiru Mabati hakuhi na Rally Market. Na icio ni wabici cia Dhahabu Land Limited. Hau niho headquarters citu cire. Na wabici bado mwena wa Thika. Elika Plaza, right opposite Safaricom Center.
Good.
1st floor. Jokete haha with so much honor from our chairman, Mr. Joseph Chege. And our very able director, Mr. Peter Kamau, hamwe na aruti wira aitu ega akuria Dhahabu Land, and also our investors aria matumite tuthie na mbere wega wira-ini witu wa ũigithia, and we really appreciate them.
Good.
And to them I say good morning.
Yes, good morning, karibu sana.
Asante.
Mukoretwo na investors ũigithia kuhindariga na atia muri ta Dhahabu Lands.
Tukoretwo na aigithia kwa ihinda ria miaka 7.
7 years.
7 years. Actually doka haho tukenete muno because we are on celebration mode. Ni gusherehekea kana gukugwira turakugwira miaka 7 ya uigithia na tugakenera Ngai tondu tuonete guoko kwa Ngai na tugacokeria aigithia aitu muno ngatho tondu agikorwo matiatoranire na ithuire rugendo rutigire ruhuthu. So twi haha tukikugwira miaka 7 na tutinoka moko matheri tukakumwira turakugwira tukina ni tuhotanite na kumera mutiko-ini kwa uguo tuho. Yes.
Haya. Agikwa mutinoka moko matherire ni tukienda gukimenya niki mwagiuka nakio no ne thutha hanini. Tambe twira tiriri Terry Maina kwa miaka ino 7 Dhahabu Lands Limited ikoretwo kuo ri no korwo hihi na ithabu ria project mwekete ikareka. Number 2 ni ta aigithia igana maigithitie na inyu ni ta andu igana magunikite na kambuni ino ya Dhahabu kwa hinda riu kugunika na njira ya riri mundu ucio ni mwamwenderie broti na agiaka akigia na mucie wake hinda angiahotire kugura keke mugunda kinene tore nyu muguraga mugatinangia no hote gututariria uguo. Miaka ino 7.
So miaka ino 7 ni tukoretwo twina aigithia na tugakorwo tuhotete ku deliver over 15,000 title deeds.
Good.
Tukoretwo twina projects complete successfully. Over 90 projects, close to 100 successful projects. Na it's such a joy tukiuga muigithia witu haria aigithirie ri kuria twamendeirie as we speak right now value ya kundu kuu ni kurite na makiria ma gukura all the makome na title deeds ciao na ni tuonete andu makigrow from one level to another tondu kama uriria mundu akugura mugunda wa 50,000 ri mugunda ucio wakono wa 500,000 tha ici ri kana mundu akagura mugunda wa 100,000 ta mwena wa Nanyuki tha ici wakora ni 300,000 300,400 ukagura matu mugunda wa 200,000 3 years down the line or 2 years down the line wakora mugunda ocean 1.2 million. It's such a joy to celebrate na makiria mogwo bado ta Dhahabu Land nitukoretwo through our CSR project Dhahabu Foundation tukahota guthomithia over 700 students agimakoretwo me successful me mawira-ini mao tha ici agimare cukuru tha ici tugakorwo tuhotete gwakira andu marare in very very humble situations wakora maybe a perfect example mwena wa Nyandarua kuria nyumite my home ground ni twakeire a family of a very humble background
Nyandarua
kamwana metanaga mukamo sometimes ba magakorwo me settled twakora to settlete ando very many matuntu settlete ando mwena wa Sagana ugakora at least lives have been changed. We are also beneficiaries of the Dhahabu Land. Toreria guruta wira na gakikoro genete na gakihana wegare we still accredited to the Dhahabu Land and our investors, and we're very happy.
Kambuni yo yothe kiambiriria ni koragwo na kioneki na ni kuona kiroto na muno inyu muri utongoreni ni nyumu terefaga kana mufati ukoro mugitereba kiroto na kioneki gia kambuni na ndeciria chairman Joseph Shege wa Dhahabu Lands na director Peter Kamau na awere utere maina muri okiroto ini kianyu muri okioneki ni kia dhahabu
turi okioneki ni gitu dhahabu ikiambiriria ri
mutumete reri ni ya kioneki
tutumete ho fata witu munene wari go settle as many people as possible. We want to house millions of people, and we are quite happy to carry horo 15,000 people thaishi nito hotete uko to masetolete. That is an achievement. Na kama uha harere ari haha last time our able director ni atwerie twambiririe investment itona ngiri igire peke yake. Ogo ni kwambiririe kuga we don't despise humble beginnings. We began when we were very humble. Tukiambiriria na ngiri igire project ni kuria ya Matu etagwo Matu Paradise. Project thaishi iredia over 1 million. That is very few years down the line. Na makeria mogu tukahota gukoro twedetie projects nyige and we are still on the same. Na nikio ona thaishi no turaheana title.
Ni wega ogwo. Tofauti yanyu na aria genere kotele.
Tofauti tuna aria gene ate we are very able to sell very low end projects kuga na ruthiomi rwitu turahota kumenderia projects iria very affordable twina projects cia ginya 70,000 shillings only twedetie projects cia ginya ngiri mirogo that is 30,000 on top of that twetaga a reliable partner twako twe very transparent kuri our customers twako tukihota kumathikiriria tukahota kugia reviews ciao todo at the end of the day gutire mundu perfect. We are able to listen to our clients magatwira we think haha na haha no tuthondeke, we think haha na haha ni twafailire. Like one time we happened gutwara customers mwena wa Malindi, but unfortunately mundu ria twatumite on ground atwekirire bacon sire that had not happened. Macio mari mahitia but we were able to take back our clients orege mugunda-ini o ucio mone bacon ciao. On top of that tukahakikisha ni twatuma maiwe this is not a wasted journey. So it has been we are a low selling company. Tukahota uko tukima delivera na tukahota uko incorporate each and every investor outside there. And on top of that rewarding them like we are here to reward them.
Asante. Na basi yanyu cia thimu ni cia jetie kana no iria tuwe.
Na bano iria 0707 177 177 demigerege 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900 0718 700 900 na ugituhurira ni ukuhota kwaraniria na agents ito in case of any concern kana ugeda guteithika through our investment journey and we will help you through.
Mea kamugwaja Dhahabu Land Limited magikogwera kuma mambereirie maotete gusetu makiria mando ngiri 15 okugete ndonoka ithire
ni dino kamoko matheri
goka moko matherire ne guthi we handete taitimo woka atia
ni digyo kamoko matheri because our investors matiokire moko matheri mokire kuigirira bia na ni tondu ni matwetekirie na makiria magutwetekirie ithu tukirigwo tweta Dhahabu Land. How do we come back to reward to mere ni twa appreciate ni gutwetekia tondu kwakire na kambuni nyingi ni twakena ni tondu wa gututwarithia through this investment journey, twakena through our reviews iria mututeithĩtie twahota gushi incorporate na tukona wira witu kigashira. So ni twoka tweta Dhahabu Land twena campaign tureta sherehekea na dhahabu na sherehekea na dhahabu ino ni ya gusherehekea investors aito othe uria ũraigithia thaici na uria waigithĩtie sometimes back. Na sherehekea na dhahabu twamiambiriria on 10th of August na campaign ino ni ya kuhakikisha investor witu ni igwa dana tigo o moko matheri
niwe no iriera-ine
we urona TV ni yaku ici ni part of the awards iria turenda kuheana cia sherehekea na dhahabu na nigetha ukorwo we umwe wa aria marasherehekea ri urabatara gwika atia ni kuigithia hamwe na ithwe kana ku redeem mathire maitu na uwo ndakwira we are just here to appreciate our journey together with you so umuthi uyu any investment area ukoretwo we nayo wathi na mbere ku redeem thire waku urihe 10,000 shillings shira kuhe entry imwe hari sherehekea na dhahabu warehera title yaku ire utari woya do we have investors who invested with us for years wakora no matwetikirie ginya title matiroya na nturamwita kiroko giki kio muthe muke mwe titles cianyu wagira title yaku the 10,000 shillings you pay or the 20,000 every 10,000 shillings irakuhe entry imwe and on top of that tuna projects ile turamwenderia on a very good discounted offer wagura projects icio any amount you pay 10,000 shillings gives you one entry neno entry mo ira guteithia no uhotane ngari ira ni grand price wega to showonire ku kama kwina ngari ithato also kwina migunda urahotana uguo no ugure mugunda waku makiria mugunda ucio ugurite ri uhotane mugunda ungi no uhotane a trip for two to Diani ya Mamara no ugie vouchers cia gwika shopping 10,000 shillings each uguo ugure na 10,000 and also get a 10,000 ya shopping voucher na no uhotane airtime all this ti ina spirit ya gugutuga na ina spirit ya gugutuga tugikwira utawekeza na zaidi ya kuwekeza utashinda.
Hizi pesa nalipa wapi?
Hizi pesa unalipa Dhahabu Land. Na wariha Dhahabu Land we have very customized system. The moment wariha we have our accounts iria wahurira agents aitoni mawo utaithia nacio. The moment wariha system ine ne o providera a payment prompt a payment transaction confirmation ya ukuoni atendari hana Dhahabu Land na dari hana Dhahabu Land ya kuone dina entry thano wari hagiri 50 dina entry mwoko wari hagiri 10 na entry yo nego guteithia because in the next 3 weeks twako tukineana gari ito ya mbere and at the end of this week no tuko twitwara do Diani na Mara aure tukoretwo tugika na bado no tuko tukineana shopping vouchers aure tukoretwo tugika and every day ni turakora tukiheana airtime so no go thina mbere ukowe encouraged uthina mbere rwendo
sherehekea na dhahabu shume ithato kuma mothe ando marashida gari
Mazda Demio na it is a very good car Mazda Demio no mihuthere ya biashara no mihuthere ya gwiku ugithie wira-ine no mihuthere ya gutwara ciana ciaku cukuru and if it's a shilling on top of kiria uthukumite kana kiria wigithiti no imagine ukaigithia gari ukaigithia mugunda wa 70,000 ukaheo Mazda Demio igakuigira wira isn't that a good thing
adirere gorona mugunda na gorona gari
imagine na gari no
na negiri 70
only 70,000 logbook ira thoma Dhahabu Land muthenya uria twako tukimeneana twakuhe all transfer documents na tuhakikishe ntwakuhe gari yo full tank na ginya ndakumagaria ntukumagaria no wega ugeke driving agikondo kiyo ku drive nigetha wari
karajo amekini anyita hau tajira atiriri niko goko ku radio giri 70
bere ya ndimwirite niko ku radio giri 70 no nyambe ndimuhe namba ito ya thimu ire ne 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900
good
0718 700 900 so nigetha ugie mwago uyu wa kuhotana ngari ri ni ndakoro ndamugwetera ndamwira nitramwenderia very discounted projects imwe cie mwena wa Malindi na imwe cie mwena wa Nanyuki and undu mwe twikaga hari projects citu tumikaga ni twa add value tutikumwenderia o mugunda mutheri and on top of that totwe very well connected tukako tukimenya niko kurakura na njira ya na ihenya muno so plots ici twina cio mwena wa Malindi na Malindi ni 50 by 100 plots iria gukoge kwaririo horo wa cio daikeno na ici 50 by 100 plots she located along Salagate bypass neno ne bypass nene area ira connect Malindi to Voi through Savo National Park. Ogo ne ukwira ugigithia ko mwena wa Malindi re. Ando makihitukira guthie Savo National Park for tourism purposes. No marihitukira mugunda-ini waku. Angikone makwenda kugura indo re. No ko we na biashara magure hau. Angikone makwenda gukoma tondu agi makoma maumite ginya na njari.
Nekuo goko.
Na nekuo kuria. Green City phase 9. No wake residential places ko. No wake hoteli. Twina beaches around Malindi that makes Malindi iko a very good tourism attraction site. And the plots ishishia Malindi turamwenderia at 70,000 Kenyan shillings only. And this is a discounted price. To the market value ako daishi ni 150,000 Kenyan shillings.
Ugonyo muradi nuthu.
Ithu turamwenderia nuthu, toguo ndakoro ndamwira twe at a spirit of sherehekea na dhahabu. Tugikugwira miaka 7. Ugo turamwenderia with a discount of over 50%. From 150,000 to 70,000 Kenyan shillings peke yake. Na makirio mugu wagura mugondo yuri. Twagutwara site visit na SGR, and this ticket is fully catered for. Gothie na gushoka. You just need to avail yourself. Wewe kwa we available, tugutwara site visit na tugushokie, tuhakikishe nuona mugondo waku. Na ndakoro da mention we along Salagate bypass, also we hakuhina Kambuni nene muno ya guthondeka solar. It's our Global X Solar, an international company. On top of that, kwena investor, an international investor, we give over 40,000 acres on the same area in a green city. Nekodo kurakura na jira iguru muno. And in the same place, just around the same area, no kugukwera gatwamedairie 30,000, and the most expensive tukimedairie 50,000. That was back in the year 2021. Daishi mugoda ko kamau ne giri magana matatu. That is almost around the same area like the daishi. Odomwe also wa Malindi re. Maybe no igwete horo wa Dubai. Dubai adu ni mathiaga ko for purposes of tourism. Na kindu kiria kimwe kigucagereria andu mwena wa Dubai re. Ne building eko nene etagwo Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Na mwena wa Watamu, that is in Malindi. Ne proposed to go building Ereto Palm Exotica. Area Eoko is the tallest building in Kenya, the tallest building in Africa, and the tallest building in Malindi. It is also drawing a lot of international tourism and also local tourism. Ogone kumanisha besha shia kushitigo kwa shikiurira. To no shirojo ridio ne igithia aria maroka from far and wide. Na dakwira ko okugura at only 70,000 Kenyan shillings. Na dagura agree 70. Yes. Bado no daigira thini wa sherekea na dhahabu. No nyinokia gari. Exactly. Kwa na title deed iria tugwikira transfer kuma Dhahabu Land tondu shina ready title deeds. Ogia title deed yaku na ngai agiguteithia uhotane ngari yaku ukowe sherehekea na dhahabu na 70,000 ukowe na ngari yaku kana okondo ukihota na ngari no uhotane maeka na indo inge iria ndagweta hau mbere ine na kire urafatara gwika no gutuhurira thimu na namba itu ni 0707 177 177 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900.
Kone Malindi hari kundu kungi hihi tere maina Dhahabu Lands mwena kuo.
Twina kundu kungi na kumwe wako bado no kou Malindi. We realized government at an intention ya gwika kindu gitagwo food security. Na tukauga security begins with us. Oguo nini ni ngomba kwihunia nigetha honie uriogi. And thank you to our chairman and director Tony Maka mire up na idea no through also enabling our staff na tukiona hena a very big gap hari food farming kana agricultural business na tuge set up a land which is over 3,000 acres in Malindi na land yonea purely weka urimi. Ugo twina acres mwena wa Malindi shireto Zuri Farm na isho acres ne acres shia kurema peke yake. Acres ishi shihutanetie na River Galana na acres ishi shihutanetie na Lake Sameta. Na also shikuhanererie
Kotorona
Mororeri Arona. Na on top of that acres ishi shihakuhena project ya thirikari etago Galana Kulalu. Wega wa guko niki ni ndakwa tukuhaneirie na mai ukirima ni gufatara mai ukirima ni gufatara rera rega ukirima ni ufatara farafara njega tuhakuhe na Salagate bypass area eguteithia irio ciaku ciume migunda-ine na cikinye thoko-ine cia nanja. On top of that tukahakikisha ithwe tweta Dhahabu Land mwiroreri neurona that is just a pilot test. Tuna model farm ithwe ntuhandite bebe tukahanda mboga tukahanda nyanya tukahanda itunguru na site visits twatwarana ta area twiriga last weekend aigithia amwena wa Green City nitwamahire nyanya na itunguru na magikena muno ugo ni kumuonia ni kundu twikite tests na food is actually very productive in that area.
Nago how ne fio
area ino turamwenderia at only 300,000 Kenyan shillings.
Ke thimikereko
That is 1 acre.
Eke mwe ya mugunda ngiri 300.
Eke mwe ni ngiri 300.
Ala.
Na eke mwe ni equivalent to 7 to 8 plots. Ugo 8 plots at 300,000 Kenyan shillings. Makiria mako kwenderia.
Eka imuri agatia.
Ni wega wa sherehekea na dhahabu.
Ate makiria ma.
Makiria mo tukahakikisha ni twago paipira mai. Ugo wedo guthie kwambiriria gwetha mai. Tukahakikisha mai ni magerera access road ni. Tuhakikishaga projects shito tutigite 9 meters wide road. Tukahakikisha mai ni mahitukira hari ori. On top of that tukahakikisha tonetwekite tests all the way from teriuga test all the way from Israel. Tukeka very good test ya kuhakikisha ate every food commodity can grow in the same area. Na on top of that tukahakikisha ithuĩ ta mũigithia witũ wa Dhahabu Land ndũkũnjĩra kama uru we hahari ũgũthiĩ kũrĩma Malindi thaa cigana nito provider no providerwo andu akurima na kugo kana you can still take your own people mathina wakuri
ninge Malindi atakire kuraihu
tikuraihu
ugugiikoroka rucine hwaini we ku
na turagutwara na ndege ugu wari only 50,000 shillings to na ndege
tutware kugo eka ya mugondo ukigura kundu ciringi 300 ri na ni uraigua ni kuri
na
katare gutago kweo.
Interesting enough netwekete tests ne wona a model farm ya bebe no hade ko magetha maigana
matatu kwa mwaka
na tha ici bebe rakinya ki
ngumenya no jerirwo ndiwe bebe ready ate
at least girl child ni 3,500 shillings 3,500 shillings
ikonia ria kilo 90 bebe thandure
yes ugu ni kumanisha ongirima ri tuge on the lower side urute bagi 30
paeka
at 3,500
wena mbeca njega
wena 105,000 ungihanda maita America na matatu tono uhade up to 3 times 3
ni urahura 200 market
ugu ni kumanisha within 1 year tayari mugondo uyu waku ni wirihite and twago twara site visit na flight na tukahakikisha bado on top of that ni twa connect na andu aria mangigura irio ici ciaku
mugunda wina title
mugunda wina ready title na the titles are already in office daishi ugo fatara gutuhurira thimu number 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900 urihe only 50,000 shillings na tugutware site visit this weekend
itajitwira terere ri ni na mwiroreri wagwa title ci wabici cina ritwa riao
Dhahabu Land Limited ugo kira tugufatara gwika no gwikira transfer kuma Dhahabu Land Limited ginya tere kaginya kama u
hena cost inge ya transfer no
ino cia Dhahabu Land cia acres ukuriha at only 300,000 Kenyan shillings yes
title gumiona thutha hinda rigana atia
the title is ready ungenda gwikira transfer actually maybe okay tumuheaga within 1 month and twako twina igogona ria kuneana gari eno ya mbere tugakwa tukineana in the next 3 weeks so ungigora umuthi in the next 3 weeks hena very high possibility twako wina title deed yako
aya good kone Malindi twakegwa kwina broti na kwina migunda
kwina plots na
kwina migunda kangi ciringi 300
only
na plot na cio haria ugira ni Savo Voi
along Savo Salagate bypass
on Salagate bypass ne ngiri 70 na baya thimu watura ne 0707
177 177
kana 0718
700 900
heko ngimuna migunda andu athahabu
twina migunda kundu kungi
inyo mutiagaga indo njega
twina migunda na nyuki kundu twedetie for the longest time. This will be our 12th project. Twaberie kwedia na nyuki in the year 2020. We have had big projects, share some even 800, 900 plots. This will be our 12th project. Na nyuki ni kundu kwega gwa kuigithia tondu farafara ni njega cia gutwara na nyuki. Rera ni riega. Na nyuki ni a tourism attraction area. Na nyuki kwina high end hotels. Iria ciratuma kama ume haha uthie na nyuki ukarirera haku uguo. Na nyuki no travel by air. Ugo ogeda kuma haha in the next 40 minutes uko wina nyuki. It's very possible.
No kuruga.
Na nyuki no travel na reri. Ugo akwenda ukuo ni SGR gutwara na nyuki ni gutwara SGR. Gutwara Malindi ni gutwara na SGR na nyuki. Thutha wa Keno Marwa farafara guthondekwo ri it has really eased travel kuma haha guthie Nanyuki because you can only take mathaa meri peke yake na our site visits are free na Nanyuki tiri ni mwega muno no urime kuu uguo na no wikare kuu uguo tukuhaniririe na Olpajeta Conservancy kuria kwina over 80 species cia nyamu ugu andu ni muma naja internationally
ukakurona nyamu ici
Nanyuki kwina golf resorts kwina golf club kuu uguo na an international football academy itago Samuel Eto'o Football Academy. People are coming from very far ukaguthakira kuu uguo ni ukwira andu from different counties and also internationally ni marandwo gutwaro o kuu Nanyuki kuhakikisha nimekatea ni makena kana ni monjorithia Nanyuki twamwenderie 2021 at only 100,000 shillings. Nanyuki kuletwa mwendeirie 2021 100,000 Kenyan shillings. That is around 3 years. Umothe maredia at 300 to 400,000 Kenyan shillings. Na kuria thaici turamwenderia ni 50 by 100 plots. Twekirete a gated community. Tukari mafarafara. Tukahakikisha the roads are very very good. Kou turamwenderia at only 199,000 Kenyan shillings. Giri igana rimwe riake.
Mirongo kenda na kenda.
Down from 275,000 shillings. Ugu eyo ni discount turamunegera thaici with limited plots and also hamwe na title.
Okay, haya by the way girie no emwe moheria handu mugene ngiri magana meri
ne girigana rimwe ra 91 na ra 99
o juke na ngiri magana meri ne gucoka na ngiri emwe
kana tuhakikishe ni twakunegera ngari na ngiri emwe
neguo by the way tondu bado haya ona guko twagura no turengira githine
kuria guothe ukuriha kuria guothe ukugura kwetha ni kwa 70,000 kwetha ni kwa 200,000 kwetha ni kwa 300,000
tunasherehekea na dhahabu
kila kitu kuria guothe ukugura ni sherehekea na dhahabu ukugia entries ciaku cia kuingira sherehekea na dhahabu na ugie title deed yaku muthenya uwo na site visits cito ni free and on top of that guko Malindi oko ni ukoro urihite maybe just a deposit 10,000 50,000 70,000 to outwara site visit weekend ino ugo tuhurire thimu rege through 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900 wari na agents aito magotare through the investment journey and on top of that tugotware site visit
no besha ndirehe wafici
no urihe netwa twikire digital no aranirie na agents aito ona reme diaspora ndukoretwo tukigithia na aigithia aige they are in a position no magotumire map through your WhatsApp kana through your email othure plot area egukenia tondu rimwe tondu wa shughuli citu cia muthenya no urimo gukinya wafici-ini citu ni mauku guide through our payment options twina pay bill no urihire through fegi na ninge ungikwa we hakwi no utushererere you are still invited na twina a very automated process the moment wariha ni gugutumira an automated message ukuonia besha ciaku ni share receive ni Dhahabu Land wa share receive uhakikishe ni watumirwo ka receipt gaku ni watumirwo agreement yaku na no tugutwara na karugendo tuhakikishe ginya title deed yaku no wamiamukira
haya tororete kurikia teremaina kuma Dhahabu Land ni twari horo wa Malindi ni twari horo wa Nanyuki dikana heko gitutikitie
twina very few plots mwena wa Matu area along Thika Garissa highway na Matu turamwenderia at only 400,000 Kenyan shillings na plots ishi nego koresh dagweta hau gafere damwira plots iria twamendeirie bere Matu thaishi shi over 1 million na iria turamwenderia thaishi it's just 1.4 kilometer Kumawe bridge. Our first investors bado noma hotire ko benefit kugura right opposite the way bridge na ona maredia over 1 million na ne kundu kwina mai kundu kwina aikari maraikara ko thaishi kundu kwina farafara njega kundu ungeikara and it's only 50 by 100 plots for only 400,000 shillings na ni hamwe na title wagora omothe title deed yaku ni wako winayo in the next 3 weeks na no ukoro bado wina ngari yaku
eneguo thegi muno na beno raheana ri ni ya kambuni ti yaku
na beno ndiraheana ni
tondu mangire na yaku mahangire ati namba yake namba teremaina tuhe namba ya wira ya dhahabu
ne damunegera 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900 na ugeda kwaraniria na ithio no tukore kuria Ruiru Greek Towers 4th floor kana Thika 1st floor Elika Plaza
good deda ruo tirihe ndagikeno imwe iho agikohe no ndu Kamau akang'ethia tana kuria agikohe no ndu tere maino renda gutiga wera mwiroreri kanya kaune gaku
ni ngumwira mugunda wagura umuthi that is the cheapest juge ure GM itu augaga that is the cheapest mugunda waku ugakowe ore ugo umuthi wagura at 70,000 Kenyan shillings ni ramenya in the next 1 year nduko wi 70,000 shillings ndukaire kiria kinini we nakyo ukawigithie ukotaro na ni ndiramenya ni ugusherehekia na dhahabu tondu waigithia bado wina mweke wa kwihotanira na kuinuka wina iheo mama na makiria moguo ri kwihotanira tondu ni uko wina haku
na neguo na njira nguhi muno sherehekia na dhahabu ni kirio kurihai
10,000 shillings igukuhe entry imwe
neguo
and ushinde
entry we kudwara kuhotana kina ki
twara kuhotana ngari muthemba wa Probox muthemba wa Mazda Demio na muthemba wa Fielder kana migunda kana a trip for two to Diani kana Mara kana shopping vouchers share 10,000 shillings kana airtime daily na on top of that no kugia title deed yako
neguo na tunasherehekea na dhahabu mpaka lini
tunasherehekea na dhahabu mpaka December mpaka 30th November. So kiria gukwira ta muigithia wa Dhahabu Land wekeza ushinde.
Asante sana wekeza ushinde sherehekea na dhahabu. Asante sana Terry Maina afisa wa uhusiano mwema
kwa Dhahabu Land. Asante sana kwa wafanyikazi wetu.
Ndio
ni wega muno ni kwirutira wira mwina hinya muige na kwirutira na njire mwenene muno. Ugo no gukuhe namba ya thimu ringi umahurire 0707 177 177 kana 0718 700 900.
Asante sana, huyo ni Terry Maina. Tumekamilisha mahojiano, anatoka Dhahabu Land. Tufikishe hapo, ndio Njoroge wa Githĩnji naye yakuja na wachanganuzi wa mambo ya siasa. Mimi naitwa Kamau Kang'ethe. Tuonane jioni wakati wa taarifa ya habari ya Inoro saa 1 na Inoro saa 3 wakati tutakuwa na mugeni hiyo masaa. Tunakuanga pia na mutauri modo waragia na mokoguo hiyo masaa jioni mutafusiri. Asante sana, titago kokumaguo.
Asante.